welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine and I'm going to be using a palette that I picked up from, I'm pretty sure this was from Marshall's, and I just did it in my last haul. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. Looks like this, and we're going to dip into this. I think that I'm going to be sticking with like the pinks and the purples for this look. So we're gonna go ahead and get straight into this look and not lollygag any of that. All right, so the first color that I'm going to be taking into my crease is going to be this Monte Carlo color here, which is this soft mauve rosy pink. And I'm just going to tap that into my crease. So I'm just tapping, not swiping, to build up. All right, now I'm going to actually start blending it in, and to blend it in, I'm going to use this color here, which is Coastline. Wait, where's Coastline? Yeah, this color here. It's like a peachy, a soft, dusty peach, I would say. So we're gonna use that to blend it. And I am blending it up higher than where I put it. Okay, now that I have that color down, I want to take this color Bahamas, which is this bright pink, and start blending that in. And I'm blending that lower, more towards my crease and like a little bit below. I don't want that color to go too high. And this I'm not patting in, I am just bringing this in and swiping it in because this color is already pretty bright and pigmented. And I'm just stopping right here, but blowing it out a little bit. All right, and then I want to take, let me get this brush here. I'm going to go back into Coastline to blend out just the top. And I like to blend like in circular motions when I'm using like a smaller blending brush. All right, now I'm going to take, I've been liking using these P. Louise bases, and I'm going to use this pink color, which is Winter Rose. And we're going to cut our crease. So just put a little bit on the back of my hand. Try to cut my crease so that you guys can see. It's like such a bright pink color. Okay, and then I just pat it out. We have our crease all cut. So now I'm going to take this color, which is Palermo, which is this shimmery pink here, and it's like a shimmery darker pink. I'll show it to you on my hand. I think I might have swatched it in the video though. So I'm taking this color Palermo, and I think that I'm going to take this color also Mediterranean. So those two colors is what I'm thinking, and put them on my lid. Okay, and then of course take Palermo out a little bit further than what you want, because we're going to blend that with Mediterranean, which is this deeper purple here, which is a shimmer color as well. And I'm just going to take it on the same brush, and I'm going to start it on the outer corner and like blend that forward into Palermo I just pat it on so that way, of course, like I say all the time, they blend well together and it's not so harsh when you see the colors transition. They kind of melt into each other. So when I'm adding the color, I add it further back and then I blend it forward. Okay, and then just take Palermo and blend that back. And boom, they transition. Okay, and I do want Mediterranean to be a little bit deeper. I am going to be deepening it up by adding a purple. So we're not done yet. All right, so what I want to do is add in this purple, and this is called Cans, right here, to the outer edge, and then bring it in. So just pat it down and then kind of flick it forward softly. And now I'm blending it. And I do blend it up towards my crease and kind of like in a V here. I blend it like a V shape and then kind of fill that in. All right, now we have this beautiful pinky purple unicorn type look. And next I just need to do my eyeliner and my mascara, but I like to do that off camera because I need to do it as perfect as possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then we'll come back and finish off this video. All right, we're back. I finished off my eyes. So on my lower lash line, I put Monte Carlo and Cans. So Cans on the outer edge all the way up to like halfway, and then Monte Carlo just the front to halfway. And blended those down there. For my lips, I can't find my favorite lip liner, which is that brown eyeliner. So I'm gonna use this ColourPop Bumble. All right, and then we're gonna go in with this LA Girl Lip Mousse Velvet Lip Color, and it's BFF. All right, and I'm just going to throw a little bit of gloss on top. So it's this Shine Essence Lip Gloss. This is the color 09 One Woman Show. I used this a couple videos ago. So not too much because it's a bright pink. And that basically completes my look for today. I have to find my earrings, put my earrings on, and then head off to work. So thank you so much for watching this video. Go ahead and leave a comment down below if you enjoyed it. Give the video a thumbs up as well. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching.